It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this hair that you see that I'm rocking, and it's the model beach curl in the color 1B, and it's 12 inches. And I got this hair from Wig Types, and I paid $4.94 per pack, and I got 5 packs, but I only use 4 packs, and I don't have the other pack right now to show y'all. But this hair was pretty easy to install. I separated one strand into like 4 for the back, and then as I got up closer, I separated like 5 times. Some areas, like when I was getting tired of doing my hair, so I started separating like twice. Yeah, but you definitely can get away with it just doing 4 packs. And as you can see, it's pretty full, like it's a full hair, and it took me like 6 hours, but you can like do it in less than 6 hours. It only took me 6 hours because I was relaxing. I was watching TV while I was doing my hair, and yeah, so you can do it in definitely less than 6 hours for sure. And for braiding patterns, I have 6 braids going straight back down, simple. And for this middle part, I just like crochet the hair together to close it, because I didn't want the middle part looking like Moses split the Red Sea on my head. So at least just this little opening is fine. And but like I was saying, it's just stripped back. And this hair right here, this is the second day installment. That's what you see. I was gonna record a video the day that I did the hair, but procrastination is a disease. It's a terrible disease. So this is my second day wearing the hair, and so far I love it. Like, do you see the curls? It is lovely. Like, this is like a big hair, but I'm gonna turn around, do a 360 so you can see the hair all around. This is what the back looks like. Look awesome. Yeah, so this is the beach curl. So far, like the only thing for like the few days I've been wearing it, the only thing I've noticed is like freeze. It's been freezing up, but that's pretty easy to manage. Like the curls are still there, and I haven't put any products in the hair so far. Like this is the hair just like what I did. No products or whatsoever. So far so good. Like I haven't done anything much to it. So we'll see how it goes as the weeks goes on. So I will be back probably within a week to show you or tell you how the hair is holding up so far. So I'll be back. Hey guys, so this is the hair after 2 weeks of wearing it, and so far like I really love the hair. Let me take it from in this bun so you can see how it's been within the last 2 weeks. I definitely would recommend this hair to anybody. I mean, it frees up, but freezing is always expected of synthetic hair, so that's not anything new. Okay, let me take Take my glasses off. Oh, I have the hair in my mouth. But this is the hair. Like, it got some frizz to it. But I love it regardless. And you can even tell that I've had it in for 2 weeks. Besides maybe my roots. And so every few days I will separate it. Like, I'll go like this. I'll put all the hair on one side. And I'll just go curls by curls. And just like pull it apart. Just like this. Just so, you know, it's all separated. And I will twist it into like 4 big twists. And this is how I've been wearing it. I haven't been doing anything extra to it. I haven't put any products in it since I first installed it. No products at all. And yeah, I would definitely recommend the model beach curl. And again, this is what the model looks like on the start car. And this is really nice. You can definitely wear the hair for longer than 2 weeks if that's what you want. And yeah, but so far, like, I love it. I might have to wear it a little longer, and if I do, I'm definitely gonna come back and show how it's been holding up. But yeah, and also, what do you think of my backdrop? I love it. Alright guys, this is it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man.